Hello everyone. So this is a tutorial on how to get to a Google Meet, and you should be able to see a link here up in Schoology, and instead of clicking on it, because you will end up having this error show up, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to right click, and you can either copy the link address or you can go to this. And it should take you directly to your Foundations 6 or the other classes that you may have with me. And you click Join Now. And here you go. This is what it is. We're going to exit until 1:30. And if you want, I could also send out this link that should link you up with your calendar as well. So it should be in your calendar, and then you can get it there. What I also would like you to do is open up a separate document. And we're going to call this class codes. Class Google Meet codes. Let's move it to the center. Hold it. And we can type our whatever class that we have. So we'll start with Foundation 6 with Mr. Stanley, and then underneath, let's grab this code real quick. Copy the conference code, and we're going to paste it. Then we're going to highlight it because it didn't link up. Insert link. We could also do something else here. We're going to call it something different. We're going to call it Foundations 6 with Mr. Stanley. Okay? We're going to apply it. And now you have the exact same link to your class. And if you want, you can even erase it. And there you go.